rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
I sure appreciate it, man. Tell me.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
We trying to go everywhere. No matter we want to go to college for about a weekend. How you doing, man? How you doing? You did more?
Hey, I can.
All right.
How many we got?
There's two XV3 Sundown 15s in here.
Okay.
On a JP93 100.
That's the big one.
The biggest.
It is. At first I thought it was the 83, and I saw how long it was. No, it's got to be the 93.
I wasn't going to buy it but once.
Yeah, that's how you do it. Go all the way the first time.
Just to be honest with you.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can do a 151 on music, I see.
It does a 53.7
I do higher.
on the dash,
Oh, yeah.
on the window.
That thing impressive, bro.
For 215s.
Yeah.
It was C pillar Wednesday when I got off of work.
You just moved it up.
I made it here last night B pillar with two different 15s and a 6.
Oh, so that's not what you had.
It was Thursday when I pulled out three 15s.
Yeah.
Put two different ones in a 6th order. I changed it to a 6th
Okay,
order.
put your port in there.
Put me a port in there and brought it forward. I did that in one day,
And it's playing like that.
and it woke up 2 DBs.
Oh, yeah. See, keep it like that, ain't it? You still got the other three at home, don't you?
Yep.
It's always good to be able to change that when you want to. Yeah, man. That ain't even using all the power off that amp, is it?
No.
Still got it low.
Yeah, I ain't even tapped into all the power yet.
That thing impressive.
I've tapped into maybe a little over half of it.
It probably heat up quick on it.
The amp is gonna heat up. The subs are.
Yeah,
I about got the subs capped.
Yeah.
They're nice and cool, but
Yeah, I couldn't even smell that.
no.
Yeah, man.
I go
That windshield like
lose that window on two subs.
Yeah, obviously that thing about to give on you.
On two subs. It's trying. It already leaks.
Oh, it's already too late.
It already leaks.
Okay. Yeah,
I've already.
you gotta seal it up a little bit.
I've already had to seal it up.
Man, let them know where they can find you at, man, on social media anywhere. On Facebook, TikTok, anywhere.
Yeah, my name's Cody Randall on Facebook.
Okay.
And
Y'all know I try to tag them down below.
I'm trying to think of my name. And it's Cody TMH on TikTok.
Cody TMH, Randall. I'm gonna try to tag them down below in the video. Man, it was good meeting you, bro.
Appreciate it, man.
Yes, sir, man. I left all the information down there for you.
Okay,
All right, you still rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
I sure appreciate it, man. Tell me.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.